Uh, Hello there, good people. This is Fundamental People speaking. I'm just gonna be doing a live video on Escalpando 2. Remember, let's speak first on Escalpando 2. Okay, so these are just the trades that I took just now on a small account. So I just wanna do a live teaching on this one. Okay, so my first live teaching won't be about setting this. It's only about how to use it. Okay, so how to use it, we wait for the market to be overbought on 15-minute chart. Okay, from there we move to 30-minute chart. Okay, it's also overbought on 30-minute chart. Okay, again we move to 1 hour chart and check. Okay, it's also overbought on 1 hour chart. Okay, so what is it that we're doing now? We go to 4 hours chart, and then we see that on 4 hours chart is not overbought. Okay, so what are we gonna be doing? We're gonna be uh, uh, drawing our support and resistance here. Okay, so if you can check, I'm not gonna teach you how to draw the support and resistance. We all know that is basic knowledge of forex. Okay, if you can check here, this was our previous resistance, because the market came here, rejected. Okay, came back again, rejected, came back again, rejected, came back, just spiked and then went back. Okay, so we're gonna take it as our turnover resistance. Okay, for now, because it was our previous support, now it's our resistance, and then it just got touched for the first time. Okay, meaning that we're just gonna wait for a rejection here. We're just gonna wait for a rejection here and then take trade. Okay, so how are we gonna see the rejection? We're gonna move to 15-minute chart. Okay, on 15-minute chart, when they form an M, we know that it's time to sell. Okay, if you can check, here is the M formation, and then I gave you guys the signal to sell. Again, here is our big M. I give you guys the signal to sell. Okay, mind you, I'm only doing this on a small account because you guys, a lot of you guys use small accounts, so I just wanna show you guys that I'm using a small account too when I give you guys the signal, so that we can be on the same level. I also use big accounts, but then I won't be using won't be doing videos using the big accounts. Okay, if you can check, we went straight profit on ESDJPY. We wait for the market to be overbought. This the buying one. We wait for the market to be overbought. Okay, when it's overbought, we switch to minute 30 and check if it's overbought. It's also overbought. We move to 1 hour and check if it's overbought. It's also overbought. If it was not overbought on 1 hour, we were gonna do our supports and resistance on 1 hour, but then since it's overbought on 1 hour, it means that we have to go to 4 hours chart to draw our support and resistance. Okay, from there you wait for the market maker to spike near that support or near that resistance, and then you take trade. Okay, here it was our support. Okay, now it was our support. Now it's acting as what? As a rejection, meaning that we can go to 15-minute chart and do what? And take trade. Okay, now where should our take profit be? Our take profit should be on the previous rejections. Okay, here is our previous rejections, meaning that this will be our first take profit. Here is our second rejections. Here is our rejection. Whenever where you see a rejection, that's where you can take profit. Again, here the market maker rejected. Do you see? He rejected here. Check now, he came back, is even rejecting again here, meaning that if you used big lot sizes here, you can exit here because you are seeing that he can reject and go back. Okay, so now let's move to other pairs. Let's go to Shell USD. Okay, now the market here was oversold. Okay, but then I took the trade here after this W. Okay, so why did I take the trade? We are now gonna go to minute 30 and check if the market is oversold. It's also oversold. We go to 1 hour and check if the market is oversold. it's also oversold. Okay, then we're now gonna go to 4 hours chart and check if it's oversold. Is it oversold? No, it's not oversold. So why am I taking buys when but then it's not oversold? Why am I taking the buy? Okay, I was only taking the buy because of this. Okay, he rejected here, he came back, he rejected here again, he came back, he even came back here to reject again. So he will go up and touch this level, then continue with the downtrend. Okay, so if you see that the market is overbought on all our time frames, like here from 15 minutes chart the market was oversold, 4 hours chart it was oversold, 1 hour chart it was oversold, you can switch to your 4 hours and wait for what? For information to form on 4 hours and sell. That's our long-term trade. Okay, for long-term trades you only wait for all the market all of the time frames to be what? To be oversold up to 4 hours chart. And then if all the time frames are oversold or overbought, okay, what do? You can take trades for long term. That's my advice for those who want to hold too much. Wait for 15 minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, 1 hour and 4 hours to be overbought or oversold, then take trades. Okay, this was just Escalpando 2. Again, those who wanted to take trades, I've been talking about the crossing over. You wait for the market to give you the M. You take trades here. When the market maker crosses the moving averages here, you also do what? Take a sell trade. Then you'll be having 2 orders running. Okay, so what I'm telling you is that if you want to make more money and if you want to take trades with take trades where you know that you're gonna be holding too much, just wait for all the pairs to do what? To be oversold. Okay, so let's move to USD. I just want to show you guys something on USD. Okay, this is USD, as you can all see. This is 4 hours chart. The market was overbought here, right? And then since the market was overbought here, also 15 minutes chart and 30 minutes chart were overbought. So if you were longing to take a sell here, you could have made more money because it went down up to here, right? And then it's still gonna continue going down because the market was overbought here. Okay, so what I'm saying is that next time when I'm gonna be giving you guys the signal for signals of long-term trades, I'm only gonna give you guys the signal based on 4 hours chart, because 4 hours chart is nice for long-term trade. Okay, peace guys. I hope you understood what I'm saying, and then I hope you will learn and make money from this strategy. The best way to enter trades is when both charts are overbought. That's where you can be sure, and then that's where you will always make money, because all the time frames are overbought, and then it will also be easy for you to take long-term trades. For short-term trades, even if I give you guys a signal, it's gonna be a short-term trades if only those pairs those charts are not all overbought. That's short term, meaning that when you see that you made money, you get out. And then long term is when all those pairs are overbought or oversold. Okay, so now peace guys, I hope this is helpful. So now let me just do another video on how to set this. Okay, I hope this is simple, because I'll only do one video, you will understand, and then I'll come back, do another video, and then you'll understand. Okay, but then let me just quickly do a recap. You wait for 15 minutes chart, 30 minutes chart, 1 hour chart, and 4 hours chart to be oversold. Afterwards, what are you gonna do? You're gonna wait for W. This was a W. You do what? You take trades for long term. You wait up until overbought. Okay, you wait for the market to be oversold, you wait for head and shoulders, or you wait for W, or you wait for V. This was a V. What do? You take sell, and then you wait up until overbought. Okay, again here, again here, again here, again here, again there. Okay, it's simple. And then for you to wait from oversold to overbought, do this only on what? On 4 hours chart. If you want to hold too much, hold on 4 hours chart. Okay, but then before you take trades on 4 hours chart, what are you gonna be doing? You're gonna take trades from the 15 minutes chart, meaning that you're gonna wait for M on 15 minutes chart and you sell, or W on 15 minutes chart then you buy, or rejections on 15 minutes chart then you sell, on 15 minutes chart then you buy. You only do this when you see what? When you see that the market is overbought from time frame 15 minutes up to time frame 4 hours chart. Okay, so peace guys, I hope this information was helpful. So for you to be able to enter this trades on what based on the trend, following the trend, you have to do this. You have to wait for overbought and oversold on 4 hours chart, then switch to about 15 minutes and take entries. Okay, if you want to scalp, you use 15 minutes chart and 30 minutes chart. You don't wait from oversold to overbought. When you see enough profit, when you see long candles, you exit. Where you see rejections, then you exit. Okay, peace guys.